In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove in and out points in DaVinci Resolve. We will use the main menu, which keeps things clear and consistent for beginners. First, make sure you already have a clip or a timeline open in DaVinci Resolve, with in and out points set. You will recognize these points on the timeline as a shaded section between two small triangle markers along the ruler at the top of the timeline. If nothing is marked, removing in and out points will not seem to do anything, so it helps to confirm that shaded area is visible before you move on. Now move your mouse to the very top of the DaVinci Resolve window and look for the row of words that starts with File and Edit. Along that row, a bit to the right, you will see the word Mark. This is where all the commands for setting and clearing in and out points live. When you click Mark in the top menu, a long drop-down list appears, and you should see several options related to in and out points grouped together. If you do not see the menu, check that DaVinci Resolve is the active window, then click Mark again so the list stays open while you decide what to clear. From here, you can choose exactly which points you want to remove. Once the Mark menu is open, move your cursor down to the option called Clear In. Click Clear In to remove only the starting point of your selection. You will see the left triangle marker at the top of the timeline disappear, and the shaded region will update so that only the out point remains. This is useful when you want to reset where your selection begins but keep the end point exactly where it was. Next, if you want to remove only the end of your current selection, hover again over the Mark menu at the top and open it if it closed. Then select Clear Out. When you click Clear Out, the right triangle marker at the top of the timeline disappears, while the in point stays in place. The shaded area on the ruler will vanish, but the in marker shows where you previously started that range. Many editors use this when they are still deciding how long a section should be but already know the precise starting frame. Finally, you can remove both points at once. With the Mark menu open once more, choose Clear In and Out. The moment you click Clear In and Out, both the in and out markers vanish from the top of the timeline, and the shaded selection area completely disappears. There is no extra confirmation box. The change happens instantly, so you can immediately set new in and out points anywhere else without any leftovers from the earlier selection confusing your edits. You have now learned how to remove in and out points in DaVinci Resolve using Clear In, Clear Out, and Clear In and Out from the Mark menu. If this helped tidy your timeline selections, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips.